Today, I'll show you how to delete an AWS instance. Whether you're cleaning up unused resources or just tidying your cloud environment, removing an instance is a straightforward task. Let's dive in and walk through the process together. First, head over to your AWS Management Console. Once you're there, take a look at the top search bar. You'll want to type in EC2 and then select the option that appears, which is EC2 or Virtual Servers in the Cloud. This is where you'll manage and monitor your instances. It's crucial to ensure that you're in the correct AWS region. You'll find the region dropdown in the top right corner of your screen. This is essential because your instance needs to be in the region you're currently viewing. If it's not, simply switch to the right region before proceeding. Next, navigate over to the left sidebar. You'll see an option labeled Instances. Click on that, and it will take you to a list of all your running instances. Now, here's an important step. Carefully check the list and find the instance you want to delete. Make sure to double-check the instance ID or name. This is vital because you definitely don't want to accidentally delete the wrong server. Once you've identified the correct instance, go ahead and check the box next to it. Now, with your instance selected, look towards the top right of the table layout. You'll see a button labeled Instance State. Click on this drop-down button. This is where you'll find the option to terminate your instance. Go ahead and select Terminate Instance. This action will initiate the process of deleting your instance from AWS. It's worth noting that terminating an instance is a permanent action. Once you confirm, AWS will begin shutting down the instance and then remove it from your account. You won't be able to recover any data from the instance after termination, so ensure that any important information is backed up before you proceed. And there you have it, you've successfully deleted an AWS instance. This process helps keep your AWS environment clean and efficient, ensuring you're only using the resources you need. If you manage multiple instances, it might be a good idea to periodically review and terminate any that are no longer in use. This can help reduce unnecessary costs and improve the overall performance of your AWS setup. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. If you found this guide helpful, feel free to check out our other videos for more AWS tips and tricks. Happy managing, and see you next time.